Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare healthy and tasty carrot halwa. In this making this halwa, I'm not using sugar or jaggery. There is no cow milk and no ghee. So all natural ingredient I am using. This is very healthy and perfectly suitable for everyone those who are suffering with the diabetic also. So in this making this halwa, I am using the ingredient are 250 ml of milk and dry fruits, then 200 to 250 ml of honey. This can be reduced and increased based on your sweetness requirement, and 400 grams of grated carrot. So next, what we will do, we will first heat the pan, and next we will fry the dry fruits. There is no ghee, so don't fry too much, just to fry like a light brown color. So since I'm not using here ghee, and you will not able to see any the moisture or anything here. So next, add the grated carrot into the pan and close. So let it be for cook for 10 minutes, and then we will add later the milk. Yeah, just once we will check the how it is cooking, and just by using the spoon check that. So yeah, next, if it is perfect, and I think we'll wait for another 2 minutes, then the milk which we are already keeping here will use, and pour the 250 or 300 ml. Even if it is more also, there is no issue, but just we have to wait more time to cook, that's all. So now pour the 250 ml of soya milk. So why I am using here soya milk, I will make one more detailed video for that exclusively for. So what is the advantages and health benefits of soya milk. So let it be cook along the grated carrot with the soya milk, and now again check the so how it is cooking. So here make sure that all the grated carrot is cooked properly. So if you want, cook it more time based on your the how you want that. So then close here. So we have to wait until the milk absorbed by the grated carrot. So next, I'm waiting here to be cooked. So here I am using the cardamom powder also. So see here how it is cooking, and it's like boiling grated carrot inside the milk. So nice smell is coming up. So here, as I said, I'm using the soya milk, and the essence or flavor of soya milk is very nice and good. I loved that. Okay, and just for 2 minutes again I'm cooking this. So now as you can see here, all the milk is absorbed. Now I am pouring the honey. So here I am adding only 4 to 5 spoon of honey, because this is my requirement of sweetness. If you want, you add more. So for 400 grated carrot, you can use up to 200 to 250 ml of honey, but here I am pouring only 5 spoon, or yeah, because I don't want to eat more sweets. So again stir it. Yeah, stir nicely so that honey mixed into the grated halwas nicely. Now here I am adding some cardamom powder because I love that smell. If you can add or you can leave that, it's up to you. But here I'm using because the smell of cardamom and the health benefit of cardamom is so that I like. So now here your um, carrot halwa is ready without the sugar. So now I'm here tasting. Let's see how it tastes. And yeah, it's so nice. I hope you enjoyed this making halwa. Please make and eat and give the feedback. Thank you.